In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing 2-minute binary option strategy that you can use right after watching this video. This strategy can help you make profitable trades day after day. So watch this video till the end. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn either from me or from some paid course, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you in your demo account, then only use it in your real account. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. Now you can use this strategy with any broker, either it is IK option, Binomo, Olim Trade, Cortex, Pocket option, whichever broker you want to use, you can use. But for this video, I'm going to use this broker that is called Pocket option. And if you don't have an account on Pocket option, then I'll give you a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and create your account on Pocket option, and you will be eligible to get a huge amount of deposit bonus. Not only that much, you can keep on receiving deposit bonus in upcoming days too. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, whichever broker it is, you will see this kind of line chart. Firstly, change this chart to Japanese candlestick and then select the time frame M1. That means each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Now decide the time frame of investment. So our time frame should be 2 minutes, and decide the amount that you want to invest. And then click on here to use the indicator. We are going to use two indicators. So the first indicator is going to be Bollinger Band. So just click on Bollinger Band and then click on this pencil icon. Period 5 is fine. Make this deviation 2. So once you have done this much, then it's time to use another indicator. So just click on here and click on stochastic oscillator. And then everything is fine inside this stochastic oscillator. And if you anything you need to change in your broker, if you are using any other broker, then you can see here 1433, you can make these changes. Okay, and this overbought and oversold region should be 80-20. Now once you have done this much, now I'll show you the exact entry point that you need to use to make trades. So Bollinger Band's concept is extremely easy. Okay, so whenever a market goes outside of this Bollinger Band and comes back, okay, then you need to make trade by clicking on lower. But for confirmation, you can use this stochastic oscillator too. So for example, this market went out of this Bollinger Band at here above, okay, and the next candle you need to look. Okay, so this is 1 minute candle and it should close on red, and if it has closed on red, then what you can do is from next candle you can make trade by selecting 2 minute time frame to lower. Okay, so whenever market is out of this Bollinger Band and second candle closes on red, then that's the signal for you to make trade by clicking on lower. And for confirmation, you can see the stochastic oscillator where it is moving. So in case if it is moving upward direction at the time you are going to make trade, then you need to stop. Okay, this stochastic oscillator must show the downfall. Okay, from this overbought region to oversold region, this must be falling from here, and then only you should make trade by clicking on lower in this condition. So now let's see the condition for higher. So for example, here you can see, so this came below from here. Okay, and then this next candle is closed on green. Now in this candle you need to make trade by clicking on higher by selecting 2 minute time frame. And for confirmation, as you can see here, stochastic oscillator has started to move to overbought region, and you can make a trade by clicking on higher. However, you can sometimes avoid this kind of place where it is just turning from this place. Okay, you need a good confirmation is like this. Okay, coming from upward to downward to upward, or from upward to downward. Now similarly, let's look for any other confirmation. So here you can see this market went out of this Bollinger Band and next candle is green. Now if you had made trade here, then most probably your trade would go wrong. So this is the thing. Okay, no matter whichever strategy you use, you can't be right 100%. Okay, so you need a money management in place. And if you don't know how to do money management, then I have made a special video about money management. I'll put that in the description of this YouTube video. You can watch that money management video and use that money management along with your trading. So sometimes we receive this kind of false signal, but as I have told you previously, if the market is just moving from this part, okay, anywhere from middle, then you need to avoid this kind of trade. Okay, a good signal is like this. Okay, whenever it is coming from down to up or from up to down in this way, this kind of place are good for this signal with this Bollinger Band. Okay, so you can see on other places also this went above second candle is red. Now you can make trade by clicking on 2 minute time frame. Okay, and for confirmation you can check at here. Okay, so this is the place, and you can see it is falling down beautifully. Now you can see on other places too. So it is the same thing, guys. So in this way you can keep on making trade, but firstly practice properly in your demo account, because you need to have that muscle memory also while trading. Okay, you need to identify that places where you can exactly make entry. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to watch more strategies related to binary options, then you can subscribe to my channel. And lastly, if you have any question, then do ask me in the comment section below. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.